Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you open Waze, try to log in, but nothing really happens. You wanna go ahead and look on your account, see the Hey Wazer profile, or even see all of your settings. But you get an error message, or the app just sits there spinning all day. So login issues are usually caused by outdated app versions, poor internet connections, or account sync problems. So in today's small tutorial, we really want to go through how to fix Waze login problems, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, make sure you check your internet connection since Waze needs a stable connection to authenticate your account. Try to toggle airplane mode on and off, or even switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. And also, if you are on Android Auto, also check your car's connection. Make sure it's fully connected. Now it's time to force close the app and restart. Force close the app completely as you heard, wait a few seconds and reopen it. This often resolves temporary glitches. You can also try to update the app. If you are running an old version of Waze, the login system may have changed, so check the App Store or Play Store depending on your OS system or operating system to make sure you are running the latest update. As a last resort, you can only then reinstall the app. If you are still stuck, uninstall Waze, restart your phone, and reinstall it back again. This will clear any corrupted login data, and that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.